Hello, I am Professor Shishta Shinde, working as an assistant professor at NB Navle, Singhad College of Engineering, Solapur. Now today we are going to study regarding to the differential amplifier, numericals, problems based on the differential amplifier. Already we studied introduction part, DC and AC analysis. In the introduction part, in detail, the dual input and balanced output differential amplifier, why it is called as the dual input and balanced output differential amplifier, its construction, after that DC and AC analysis, and dual input unbalanced output differential amplifier, single input balanced output differential amplifier, single input unbalanced output differential amplifier. Now today we have to discuss or we have to study regarding to the numericals, problems, example based on this differential amplifier. Now see the example number 1. The following specifications are given. They are mentioned the which differential amplifier. Here mentioned as a dual input balanced output differential amplifier and given things as RC is equal to 2.2 kilo ohm, RF is equal to 4.7 kilo ohm, RS source resistance it is equal to 550 ohm, VCC is equal to 10 volt, V is equal to minus 10 volt, beta it is 100. Assume VBE voltage at base emitter collimator, base emitter terminal voltage drop it is a 0.7 volt, and we have to find out ICQ, VCQ, differential mode, voltage gain, input resistance and output resistance. Now first parameter VCQ, directly we have the formula V minus VB upon 2 RE upon 2 RE plus RS upon beta. All these things are the given, put the value, do the mathematical operation, we will get ICQ is equal to minus 1.138 milliampere. Second, we have to find out VCQ. We have the formula for VCQ, VCC plus VBE minus IC plus RC. All the values are given, put that value, do the simple mathematical operation, we will get VCQ is equal to 13.20 volt. Next, voltage gain is equal to AD is equal to minus GM dot RC minus IC upon VT dot RC. All the values are given. Here VT we consider as a 25, you will get the AD is equal to 100.144. Next, RID is equal to 2 into beta upon GM, put that value, we will get RID input difference in input voltage is equal to minus 4.393 kilo ohm, and output resistance ROD is equal to RC, ROD is equal to 2.2 kilo ohm. All these parameters we studied in the DC analysis of dual input and balanced output differential amplifier. Remember all these parameters. In the same way, second example also, for DIBO, RC is equal to 4.7 kilo ohm, R is equal to 4.7 kilo ohm, source resistance 50 ohm, VCCV is equal to 12 volt, beta is equal to 75, VBE voltage drop 0.7 volt, R is equal to R into is equal to 70 ohm, Vt is equal to 25. Put all this value in the equation, we will get VCQ is equal to 1.202 milliampere, that is the ICQ. VCQ you are getting the 7.0506 volt, voltage gain 225.926, RID is equal to 3.119 kilo ohm, and ROD is equal to RC, it is a 4.7 kilo. Remember all these parameters while solving the examples on differential amplifier. Now to solve the numericals based on closed loop amplifier, non-inverting amplifier, see here, non-inverting amplifier, inverting amplifier, and the voltage follower. These are the parameters. Parameter number 1, feedback gain, closed loop voltage gain, input resistance with feedback, output resistance with feedback, bandwidth with feedback, and total output offset voltage. Yes, see for non-inverting amplifier. In non-inverting, feedback gain, it is a 1 plus RF upon R1. For inverting amplifier, it is a minus RF upon R1, and for voltage follower, it is a 1. Closed loop voltage gain for non-inverting, it is a R1 upon R1 plus RF. For inverting, it is the same R1 upon R1 plus RF. Input resistance with feedback is equal to, for non-inverting, Ri dot 1 plus AB. For inverting, it is equal to R1. For voltage follower, it is a Rin dot A. Output resistance with feedback is equal to R0 upon 1 plus AB. For inverting, it is also the same R0 upon 1 plus AB. For voltage follower, it is R0 upon A. Bandwidth with feedback for non-inverting, F0 upon 1 plus AB. For inverting, F0 inside the bracket 1 plus AB upon K. For voltage follower, it is bandwidth F0 dot A. And total output offset voltage VOT for non-inverting amplifier plus minus Vsat saturation upon 1 plus AB. Same for inverting amplifier, and for voltage follower, it is plus minus Vsat upon A. For inverting amplifier, value of the K is equal to RF upon R1 plus RF. RF, it is the feedback resistor, R1 it is the input resistor. Based on this table, you can solve the numericals problems based on non-inverting amplifier, inverting amplifier, and voltage follower. Yes, go through this table to solve the numericals based on the operational amplifier, that is the closed loop operational amplifier. See here one example they mention here. For inverting amplifier using IC741 has R1 is equal to 470 ohm, RF is equal to 4.7 kilo ohm, gain it is a 2 into 10 raised to 5, input resistance it is a 2 mega ohm, output resistance is 75 ohm, frequency it is a 5 hertz, supply voltage it is a plus minus 15 volt, voltage swing plus minus we set plus minus 13 volt, and we have to find out all these parameter: gain, input resistance, output resistance with feedback, bandwidth, and VOT. Yes, all these parameters are given. You have to put the values only in the formula and you will get the answer. What is important here? Remember this table to solving the numericals based on the operational amplifier. It is very important. Thank you.